Today in front of me Nokia T20, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature in Muviz Edge application on this device. So first we'll just unlock our device, and now we should go into the Muviz Edge application. As can you see here, we got the applied the this stem. Here you can edit this stem by tap on the left down corner, and here you can change the clock size, the clock weight, the time of the color of the minutes and hour, the date color. So you can just change here the colors. Also here on the right upper corner, tap to the settings icon, and here you can just customize the AOD mode just to show on lock screen always, or while the device charging, or also for example when you only listen the music will stay with the always. Also you can change here this timeout of the AOD feature. For example, we can just set the 5 minutes or never, for example. Also here we got the brightness level of the feature. We can make it maximum or minimum if you want. Also we can just close the AOD feature by double tap or single tap on our screen. Here also we can just show the music or just turn it off, like the show the incoming notifications, also the music details. Here also we can just show date, or also we can just show the battery status always or while charging, or also we just can disable the showing of the status of the battery. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.